Did you know that your body undergoes its most intense internal renovation between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m.? But for most of us, that process is sluggish because of what we did or didn't do right before bed. What if a single, simple spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet could unlock a deeper level of recovery? I'm talking about clove water. While most people focus on morning coffee or afternoon tea, drinking clove water specifically at night is a game changer that remains criminally underrated. Today, we're diving into why this humble infusion can transform your sleep, reset your digestion, and even balance your hormones while you dream. Stick around, because the final benefit we'll discuss is the one that surprises almost everyone, and it's likely the exact thing your body has been asking for. Nighttime isn't just about switching off. It's the only window your body has to focus entirely on repair, hormone regulation, and clearing out cellular waste. However, modern life has made this window incredibly messy. We go to bed with lingering inflammation, erratic blood sugar levels, and digestive systems that are still struggling with a late dinner. Many people reach for nightcap drinks or sugary herbal teas that actually force the liver to work harder, sabotaging your natural recovery cycle. This leads to that all-too-familiar feeling, waking up bloated, foggy-headed, and just as tired as when you went to bed. To truly heal, we need a bedtime ritual that supports the body's natural nighttime chemistry rather than fighting against it. So, why cloves? Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, and they've been prized in traditional medicine for centuries. But clove water is different from taking a supplement or a concentrated oil. It's a gentle, aqueous extraction of the spice's most powerful compounds like eugenol, in a form that's easy for your body to process as it winds down. Unlike heavy teas or acidic juices, clove water is light and hydrating. It's been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese traditions specifically to clear the heat and settle the system. Science is now catching up, highlighting its massive antioxidant load. It's one of the highest-ranking substances on the ORAC scale, which measures antioxidant capacity. Drinking it at night allows these compounds to circulate through your system precisely when your repair enzymes are most active. The first major benefit is its impact on your nervous system. Cloves have a mild, natural sedative-like effect. It's not a knockout drug, but rather a way to signal to your brain that the day is over. The aromatic compounds in clove water help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is often the silent culprit behind that tired but wired feeling. If you struggle with mental tension or find your mind racing the moment your head hits the pillow, you might find this effect particularly powerful. By lowering the internal noise, clove water helps you transition into the deeper stages of REM sleep faster. It's about quality, not just quantity, ensuring that the hours you spend asleep actually count. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy? That's usually the result of nighttime fermentation in the gut. While you sleep, your digestion slows down significantly. Clove water acts as a natural carminative, meaning it helps prevent the buildup of gas and bloating. By drinking it shortly before bed, you're providing your gut with a tool to manage enzymes more efficiently overnight. This leads to what many call the light morning effect. Instead of feeling sluggish and distended when the alarm goes off, your digestive tract feels settled and ready to move. Over time, this nighttime habit can even help regulate your metabolism, as a healthy gut is the foundation of how we process energy. We often think of immunity as something to boost during flu season, but the real work happens every single night. This is your body's main repair window. For joints, skin, and muscles, cloves are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that act like a nightly cleanup crew. By reducing systemic inflammation while you sleep, you're allowing your immune system to focus on more important tasks than just putting out small fires. People who drink clove water consistently often report clearer skin and fewer morning aches. Remember, this isn't a miracle cure that works in one night. The magic lies in the consistency. It's about giving your body a steady supply of antioxidants to keep the repair process running smoothly. Making clove water is incredibly simple, but there's a right way to do it for nighttime use. You'll want to take 2 to 3 whole cloves and steep them in a cup of hot, but not boiling water for about 10 minutes. Timing: drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Temperature: warm is best, as it helps relax the stomach muscles, but room temperature works too. Cycle: try drinking it for 5 days on and 2 days off. This prevents your body from becoming too accustomed to the compounds and keeps the benefits sharp. Pro tip: don't go overboard. Using 10 cloves won't make it work faster. It will just make the taste unpleasantly strong and might irritate your stomach. While clove water is natural, it is potent. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on blood-thinning medication, you should consult your doctor first, as cloves can have a mild effect on blood clotting. Also, if you have a very sensitive stomach or a history of stomach ulcers, start with a very weak infusion to see how your body reacts. More is definitely not better here. If you notice any skin rashes or persistent heart palpitations, though rare, stop immediately. Every body is a unique laboratory, and it's important to listen to yours. Let's be real for a moment. Clove water is a health support, not a magic pill. If you drink clove water, but then stay up until 2 a.m., scrolling on your phone under blue light, you probably won't feel the sleep benefits. It won't replace a balanced diet or cure chronic insomnia overnight. Social media often exaggerates these habits as instant weight loss or overnight cures. In reality, the results are gradual. You'll likely feel the digestive benefits within a few days, but the immune and inflammatory benefits take weeks of consistency to truly manifest. To recap, a simple cup of clove water at night can deepen your sleep, debloat your gut, and give your immune system the tools it needs to repair your body. It's perhaps the cheapest, most effective nighttime habit you can start today. My challenge to you is simple. Try it for just 7 nights and see how you feel when you wake up on day 8. If you've ever tried clove water or have your own evening recipe, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because in our next video, we're exploring another common kitchen ingredient that can naturally lower your cortisol levels. See you there.